How to fix mixed language problem in Windows 11. Hello friends, this issue occurs due to a known bug in Windows 11. Follow the steps to fix it. The first method to follow is remove undesired language pack or packs. Click on Start, select Settings, go to Time and Language, click on Language and Region. Here is the list of installed languages. If you find any language undesired, then you can remove it. Click on three dots and select Remove. Do the same with all unwanted language packs. Then close the Settings app and restart your computer. After restarting, check if mixed language is not occurring or appearing. The next method is set the language again and restart PC multiple times. Click on Start, select Settings, click on Time and Language, click on Language and Region. For Windows Display Language, click on this drop down and select the language again, then restart your computer. Do the same multiple times. This is a trick that worked for many users. So try this once. If the issue still persists, then copy the current user settings to welcome screen, system accounts, and new user accounts. Click on Search, type Control, click on Control Panel. In the search box, type Language, click on Change Date, Time, or Number formats. Click on the Administrative tab here. For welcome screen and new user accounts, copy settings. Under copy the current settings to section, check both the boxes and click on OK. If apply is highlighted, click on apply. Now click on change system locale. Here select the language. Make sure that this language is identical to the language selected in the settings app and click on OK. Click on OK. Close the control panel and restart your computer. See if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, there might be Windows update that have triggered it. So if you have installed any Windows update recently, uninstall it. To uninstall the Windows update installed recently, click on Start, select Settings, go to Windows Update, click on Update History, scroll down and click on Uninstall Updates. From here, check the install date in the list. If any Windows update is recently installed, then click on Uninstall for that. Again, click on Uninstall on the confirmation dialog. Your computer will restart a few times and the update will be uninstalled. Then check if the problem doesn't appear. If any method doesn't work, it means you will have to perform clean install of Windows 11. But before starting clean install, go to Start, Settings, Time and Language, Language and Region, and change the Windows display language to your desired one from here. Close the settings, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download in the address bar, press enter, click on download Windows 11, go down, under create Windows 11 installation media, click on download now, then click on media creation tool.exe from here after completion of download. From Windows 11 setup window, click on Accept. Here, English United States language. The selected language will show here. Click on Next. Check the option ISO file and select Next. Select the location here and click on Save. An ISO file will be downloaded. Let the process complete. Once completed, click on Finish. Once finished, right click on the saved ISO file and select Mount. From the ISO drive, right click on setup.exe and select Open. Click on Next. For applicable notices and license terms, click on Accept. On the Ready to Install window, click on Install. Your computer will start a few times and Windows 11 will be installed. After installing, the mixed language issue is fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.